the Clearview Power Fold mirrors have been 4 years in the making. We've done several prototypes. This one here we're extremely proud of. We know when you put it on your car, it will work. I've done testing all over Australia, and I'm telling you now, these things will make you extremely happy. Some will be a plug and play. You just plug them in and away they'll go, operated from your switch, or if you've got a vehicle that operates and the mirrors fold back in with the key, these will still work and do the same function. If you don't have a power fold mirror, you can do an upgrade, and we provide you with a wiring loom. That's how the loom will come, and depending on what vehicle you have, there are different switches available that will fit into the dash so that they fit nice and neat and they look like a factory finish. The wiring loom itself, you need to open it right up, and you'll find that the loom is longer on one side than the other. Okay? Obviously, you're going to put the switch near the steering wheel, and the longer wire goes across to the left-hand side of the car. You'll have a blue and a yellow wire. It's a light blue. You'll also have the same wires in the adapter here, which is attached to the mirrors. If it's a plug and play, that comes down here into the adapter, into the plug. But if you don't have a power fold and you can't pick it up from here, you need to take this plug off here, which attaches to the brain, right? And you need to forget that, and plug that straight into the wires that come out of your button. All right? Now, you have to use this grey wire on the left side, and on the right hand side it's a black wire. If you don't get the colours right, you will definitely have a problem with the way the power fold works. We recommend that when you put this into the car, you get an auto electrician to wire this in so that you don't have any issues later on. If you wire it in and you wire it to the wrong spot and you do some damage, Clearview will not be responsible. We build everything in Melbourne, and as you can see, here's our assembly plant, which is in Melbourne, right? And it's been a long, long time in the building. Now, you guys get to enjoy all our hard work. Thanks for using Clearview, and I hope to see you at a show somewhere soon.